Watch this video and learn how to draw a Smurfette. Later in the show, Bobby Bananas has a dance break. And watch to the end to see some of Louie's poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artist? Come on, everyone, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, and welcome to Artie's show. Yay! What are we going to draw today?
Well, today, Artie, we're going to draw a Smurfette.
Wow! Ooh, yeah, I can't wait! Yeah.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Are you ready to create some art?
I am ready! Ooh.
You got your paper?
Yeah?
Well then, let's begin.
Okay, let's start.
We're going to start by drawing 2 circles right in the middle of the page. Quite large ones. One on the left, that's it. And then another one right besides that one. These are going to be our Smurfette's eyes. Actually, Artie, they look a bit like your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Let's draw 2 more circles in the left one. A smaller one, and then another smaller one inside of that. There you go.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thanks, Bobby. Okay, Artie, now shade in the middle circle completely black. That's it. Now can you do the same in the right eye? A middle-sized circle, a smaller one inside, and then shade the middle one black. Be patient. Take your time. We want it to be nice and neat. There you go. Now because this is a Smurfette, let's give her some lovely long eyelashes. 2 curved lines on the left and 2 curved lines on the right.
Hello, Artie! Did you miss me?
Yeah?
You always draw the cutest things. Makes me smile.
Thank you.
Bunny kisses and carrot wishes. Bye!
Bunny kisses.
Oh, Artie, don't be rude. She was just being nice. Now, let's draw a nice big circle shape all the way around our Smurfette's face. That's it, there's the chin. And now the right cheek. Very good. Now we're going to draw a wavy shape along the top. A nice big wavy line. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, let's have a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah,
Why are we whispering?
please.
Okay.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
Come on, little artists, let's all dance!
Oh, marvellous. Exquisite, actually. Exquisite. I give it a 10. 10 for sure, 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break.
It was. Don't you think Bobby Bananas did so well?
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's add Smurfette's famous hat. A nice big wavy line. And then at the top, curve back down and wave down towards the right side of her head. Keep watching because Louie's going to read some of his poetry. Let's add a few more lines inside the hat, just to make it look like soft fabric. Another one, and then one towards the top in the middle. Very good, Artie. Let's add her left arm. A straight line coming down from the face, 4 squishy fingers, and a straight line going back up. Can you do the same on the right side? Straight line, 4 fingers, and then another straight line going right back up to the face. That's it.
Oh, it's so nice and peaceful today around here. Oh no, that's Painty's music. Oh no, Painty.
Bunny, don't laugh. Painty made a big yellow painty mess everywhere that now I'm going to have to clean up. Oh, he's so naughty. Oh, Artie, great job. I see you're adding Smurfette's hair. Lovely and flowy. Now let's give her a nice dress. A curved line on the left, another one on the right with a little hook on the end. And then go all the way across the bottom.
Well, I mean, you know how old she is, don't you, darling? It's not... Oh, hello. Welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely poem for you all about Bobby Bananas. Here we go. Bobby Bananas, a monkey so bright, wears a bowler hat and loves a spotlight. He juggles and jokes, he's magic too, a vaudeville star with tricks to do. His laughter fills the stage with cheer. Bobby's the act we all hold dear. With a bow and a grin, he steals the show. I thought I stole the show. Bobby Bananas is the star we know. Marvellous, darling, marvellous.
Let's give Smurfette some feet. 2 short lines down and a nice little oval-shaped foot. Same on the right side. Nice little oval-shaped foot. Let's add some nice big shoes. Don't forget the heel. Do the same on the right foot, Artie. And again, don't forget the heel. There you go.
That's delightful.
That's a big word.
Let's give our Smurfette a nice big smiling mouth. Another line underneath that one. And now she's smiling at us. Ooh, add the little smile lines at the end. Now she's really smiling. Draw a line across. Yes, inside. That's it. And then shade in that lower area black. Now she has teeth. I think it's time to give her a cute little oval nose. A little button-shaped nose. You know, I think she's finished.
It's finished.
Great job, Artie. Very Smurfy.
Yeah.
So good.
Can I colour it in now, please?
Of course you can.
Okay.
It's time to color it in.
I'm finished.
Oh, this one came out
Yeah.
really good, Artie.
Yeah, looks really good.
Are you happy with it?
Very, very happy.
Oh, good.
Man, what a great day. I can't wait till tomorrow.
Tomorrow's going to be another great day.
Watch Artie's show tomorrow and hear me sing again. Oh!
That was a fun show. We hope you join us again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye, little artist. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Painty!